Welcome! If you're curious about how to find tagged photos on Instagram that may be marked as potential spam, you're in the right place. Instagram is always updating its features to keep your experience safe and enjoyable, and that includes helping you manage tags that might not be what they seem. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to find and review those potentially spammy tagged photos on your account. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on that to open up a list of options. From here, select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do on the platform, from your likes to your comments and, of course, your tags. Next, tap on Tags. This will show you a list of all the photos and videos where you've been tagged by other users. But we're not done yet. Look at the top of the screen for 3 dots. Tap those to open up more options. Here's where things get interesting. You'll see an option labeled Potential Spam. Tap on this, and Instagram will show you any tagged photos that its system has flagged as possibly being spammy or suspicious. This is a super helpful way to keep your profile clean and to make sure you're not associated with unwanted or misleading content. Take a moment to review the photos in this section. If you see anything that shouldn't be there, you can remove the tag or report the content directly to Instagram. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can stay on top of your tagged photos and keep your Instagram profile looking its best. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips for mastering Instagram. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.